Still relying on systems that are slow, costly, and difficult to scale? As businesses grow, managing data and applications on traditional infrastructure becomes more challenging. This is where cloud migration comes in. It allows organizations to move beyond limitations and operate more efficiently in a digital environment. In this video, we'll explore what cloud migration is and how it supports modern business needs. What is cloud migration? Cloud migration is the process of moving data, applications, and IT resources from on-premises systems to the cloud. But it's not just about moving systems, it's about improving performance, flexibility, and scalability. Once organizations adopt cloud migration, they begin to unlock new opportunities. Let's look at where it is used, why it matters, and how security is managed. To understand its value, let's first look at where cloud migration is commonly used. Organizations adopt cloud migration to solve practical challenges such as data storage and backup, ensuring easy access and recovery, application modernization, improving outdated systems, disaster recovery, protecting operations during disruptions, remote access, enabling teams to work from anywhere. These use cases show how cloud migration supports efficiency and business continuity. Once implemented, these use cases lead to measurable benefits. Cloud migration helps organizations scale resources easily based on demand, reduce costs by minimizing hardware and maintenance, improve performance with faster and more reliable systems, increase flexibility across teams and locations. These advantages make businesses more agile and competitive. With these benefits, security becomes a key consideration. Cloud environments are designed with strong security measures, such as data encryption to protect sensitive information, access controls to manage user permissions, compliance standards to meet regulations, continuous monitoring to detect threats early. With the right approach, cloud migration can be both secure and dependable. Cloud migration connects modern needs with smarter technology solutions. By understanding its use cases, benefits, and security, organizations can adopt the cloud with confidence and clarity. Now you understand how cloud migration supports modern, scalable, and secure operations. Explore cloud computing training at the Knowledge Academy to strengthen your expertise. The link is in the description. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy official channel for more insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.